This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. Check out this 3-bedroom 2-bath home built on a cul-de-sac lot with a private backyard. This tri-level home offers 1,578 square feet that has had a ton of renovations done to it. Main floor offers an updated kitchen that includes granite countertops, undermount sink, oak onyx black cabinets, stainless steel appliances and oak laminate gray flooring that flows right into the living room area. Kitchen also offers patio door to backyard area and deck for easy grilling access. Upstairs you will find 3 same-floor bedrooms as well as renovated full bath with tiled floors. The lower level provides a family room, 3/4 bath, laundry and nice storage space. The attached insulated garage has a widened driveway that offers space for the camper or boat. The home is conveniently located on Mankato's hilltop and minutes from everything. Other notable features: energy-efficient furnace, new windows for added energy costs, maintenance-free exterior and cul-de-sac with low traffic makes it very safe for children's play. Call today on this great home. For more information.